Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an MC Technologies MC100 Terminal and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If this terminal will not connect, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it is freezing and not responding, or if you're having any kind of connectivity or functionality issues where it's not working, a hard reset to factory default settings is a good troubleshooting step. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're trying to set this this terminal up as a new terminal somewhere and you want to clear out all of the old data, this will do the trick for you. So the first thing that you want to do this is you're going to need to get a paper clip or like a pencil or something like that to push the button. And you want to locate the button, which is on the back. There's a recessed hole here. And you're going to need to unplug the device. So what you'll do is you'll unplug the device and then you'll come and you'll press the reset button. And while you are pressing the reset button, you'll restore power to the device and it will start up with a red light blinking and a green light on after about 5 seconds, and you can let go. And then it's going to take several minutes. It's going to run through a whole bunch of different light sequences. And then when you just have the light number 4 sequence blinking, that means that the reset is complete and you can set it up as a new terminal.